morning, dear children. Hope you all are doing well. So let's start with our science class. Today we will be discussing with the short question answers of lesson number 11. Last time I already revised with long answers of lesson number 11, that is respiration. Today we will see with the short answers of lesson number 11. Children, try to revise it along with me so that you will be able to learn it here and now only. Okay, so the first short question itself is, what is oxidation? See children, whenever the word oxidation comes, there it is oxy. So always remember oxygen. Okay, oxy is going to stand for oxygen. So here what will happen? It is a reaction. So reaction which happens with oxygen. Okay, reaction which occurs with oxygen along with the substance, that is nothing but oxidation. For example, again I will tell you the reaction where the substance will combine with plus it will combine with oxygen to give a product, that is called as oxidation reaction. For example, I will say one of the substance will react with what? Oxygen to give out products. Here oxygen is involved, that means this reaction is oxidation reaction. Next question. Why we should not overwater potted plants here only? Okay, we put up many plants, okay, soil is there and everything is there. But at the same time you must have heard that too much water should not be given. Is it not? So what's basically the reason? As you must be knowing that there is some space between the soil particles. You know there is some space in between the soil particles, and in this space what is present? Air is present, and then there happens to be the exchange of gases and respiration part takes place. So if we overwater the potted plants, what will happen? The air which is there in between these two soil particles will be replaced by water. So instead of air, it will be taken up, the space will be taken up by water, and ultimately the breathing of the plants will not be proper. Okay, so we should not overwater potted plants. The reason what you will give, that is water replaces the air in the soil, and therefore it becomes difficult for the plants to breathe, and therefore we should not overwater the potted plants. Next question. What do you mean by stomatal apparatus? Here they are telling you stomatal. The word itself tells the apparatus which consists of stomata along with the guard cells. I hope you remember this is the stomata, and surrounding this stomata we are having the cells, and these cells are nothing but the guard cells which protects the stomata. So stomata along with the guard cells is termed as stomatal apparatus. Next question. What are the different organs of respiratory system? Children, try to recollect from the beginning, from where respiration starts, from where the air goes. The air enters through our nostrils. Okay, from our nostrils they will go into the pharynx. They will go into the pharynx. From pharynx, next they will go into the trachea. Trachea is nothing but the windpipe. Trachea is also called as windpipe. Then it will go into the bronchus. These bronchus will further subdivide into many, that is called as bronchioles, and bronchioles will then form up a group of cells, that is called as alveoli, and then into the diaphragm. So what are the organs? Nostril, pharynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchi, alveoli and diaphragm. These are the different organs of the respiratory system. Next one. What happens during cellular respiration? Children, I have already told you last time difference in respiration and breathing. Sorry, cellular respiration and breathing. What is breathing? Breathing is nothing but taking in of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide. But cellular respiration is basically the word telling you that the respiration which takes place in cells, okay, and at the same time which will form up or which will release energy, which will give energy is nothing but cellular respiration. Okay, so the sugar molecules, when they get oxidized, okay, into carbon dioxide, water and energy, these three things will happen during cellular respiration. I will again repeat, in cellular respiration, sugar molecules, they will get oxidized. Okay, oxidized, again this word oxidized is coming. Okay, that means sugar molecules will react with what? Sugar molecules, they will react with oxygen, and then they will give out carbon dioxide, water and energy. Okay, next question. Why does breathing becomes faster while doing exercise? You are knowing, whenever you are doing exercise, what happens? Your breathing rate increases. That way you do it. Why does it happen? Because inside body says, I want more oxygen. You require more energy while doing exercise. And that's the reason why you require extra energy during the exercise. So when a person requires extra energy, that means it will take up more amount of oxygen, requirement of oxygen will be more, and ultimately the person will be able to do with the exercise. Next one. Anaerobic respiration in yeast. Anaerobic basically means respiration which occurs in absence of oxygen, which doesn't require oxygen. Okay, so here glucose molecule is broken down into here glucose, just like here sugar molecules, just like here. So here the glucose molecules will not combine with oxygen. They will just break down into alcohol, carbon dioxide and energy will be released. That is what this kind of respiration will take place in yeast, that is unicellular organism. Muscular cramps. Now the question here is, an athlete suffers from muscular cramps while running a race. How can you help him overcome the cramps? So what is being basically said that when you run more, what happens? Ultimately cramps are being felt in your legs. Why does it happen? And basically I have told you that lactic acid has been stimulated and that gets converted. Okay, but if such thing happens, if the muscular cramps occur, how you can get relief from that? You can get relief by massaging that area or by taking a hot bath. That will help you in releasing your muscular cramps. So this is all about short question answers. Last time I told you with long question answers. Prepare well with your lesson number 11. If there are any diagrams, do prepare with those diagrams as well. Study well. Exams are very near, children. Put up lots of efforts for your exam. I hope you will be doing and listening to what I am telling.